All right, next interview with the owner of RK Tunes, Jordan, in his first drift car ever, at his first series of drift events, which is Drift Week, which is ridiculous. We're gonna go look at this car, see how it works on track, see how it works on the road. He's gonna jump in passenger and babysit and see how we do. Let's go. This has got to be the coolest car here.
Let's get in. I like that you said yes before you asked if you knew how to drive.
Well, I mean, this is his thing, right?
Yeah, he knows how to
He's got to
drive.
be able to at least not crash it.
I didn't say that. I just said I could drive. You do?
No, you're fine. I mean, I usually do this.
Am I clear that direction?
Yeah, you're
Clear. We slowed down a little bit too much there. Good throttle response, being like a inline 6 turbo. A little bit off track there. Stretching in here over the bump. Good extension there. That feels pretty
You
good.
have somebody following you!
This is the easiest car to drive, man. It's very boaty though.
You have someone following you, Aaron.
Thank you. We're good though.
Just making sure.
Whee! Let's get it into third now. Oh, it doesn't have the beans for third.
not like that. It doesn't.
That was hilarious. We'd have to clutch kick way harder.
Way hard.
We need to tell this guy to stay away.
Go away.
I didn't know that was good. Pretty good though, right?
This thing's fantastic.
Yeah, it's great.
Oh,
Engine temperature,
high.
we got it warm. That's one of the problems with more modern cars is they overheat quickly.
That was pretty hard on it for like 4 laps though.
Yeah.
That was 2 laps.
Well, 2.5.
You did like 3 or 4.
I thought that was 2 good laps.
It was 2 good laps.
This thing's fantastic, super easy to drive. It has almost no learning curve in it at all to be able to go out. Like, probably on the 2nd lap I was ready for tandem. What? I don't know what's going on there.
Yeah, my wipers on. Street car
My
problems.
bad. Yeah. Ugh.
Sounds pretty cool though, right?
No, it's fantastic. It's interesting too because you kind of let it, how do you say? It has like 500 horsepower and I don't want to tap the clutch and like clutch kick it in and bring up the power too fast.
Just roll on it and
So
it comes back.
Right, so I purposefully let it roll in to let it do that, but then you're not modulating so much. It goes right there, right?
Yeah, it goes right there.
It's absolutely a fantastic car. I love it.
Thank you. I did it right? Doing it?
Yeah, no, like for your first drift car, having
This
no
is
idea what to do, other than
incredible.
Chelsea, it's freaking fantastic. Is this your spot or is
Yeah,
this
you're
somebody?
fine over here. No, I'm here. Don't worry.
Perfect. Yeah, it was really, really good.
Oh, we also were out there. You're talking about car getting hot. We were also out there with the AC on 60, blasting the whole time. So in terms of the car getting hot,
Are you not supposed to do that?
I have no idea. I mean, I don't know how much more heat it
What was the
builds.
point of buying this car if you can't have the AC on?
Yeah. This track also is like.
You had the heated seat on. Oh no,
No, that's the AC button. No, I don't want hot.
No, the car's really good. I would say if the isn't an exhaust leak right now, which is making it loud.
No.
Why is the exhaust? It's
I'm
just.
so sorry. I didn't know that was.
Oh, okay, yeah. Just make sure you talk to people.
Yeah, no worries.
So it has just a muffler, that's it. OEM muffler. But in Sport Mode or Sport Plus, it's pretty open.
Mm-hmm.
But at low speeds, like, well, also I lost one flap in the dirt the other day. So before, if you go like this, so if you rev it right now, give it a little whip. Now watch this. Do it again. Well, I mean,
It sounds the same.
The flap stuff. One flap is broken. It usually gets a lot quieter, so you can have it quieter loud.
I have another question.
Sure.
There's a little bit of throttle lag, more than I would expect in like a BMW.
So you were in comfort mode because you said something about the throttle being sensitive.
Now it's
when you're drifting, it should be in the Sport Plus. I mean, it still seems a hair slow. It's also a 3 liter.
But it's
like,
not as bad.
I don't know. I don't think so. And I've been driving the Sport Plus, but I don't know.
I was gonna say it was a little bit laggy with me, but it wasn't bad because it allowed the car to grip up a little bit and roll into it, so it wasn't bad. But I was gonna say it was a little tiny bit laggy. Car's rad, man. Good job.
Thank you.
I think this is my favorite drift car I've driven yet today out of about 7. The S13 was probably the best car on track by a margin. It was the one that's Bayrad's, that's white. S13 is kind of styled car hatch. But this is way more unique, way cooler on the street. I would way rather own this. This thing is absolutely rad. I love this thing. The angle kit doesn't do anything weird either, which is interesting.
It's very weird because I have my tire at a horrible angle. So Chelsea drove and he goes, I don't know how it works, but it works.
Yeah, no, it works perfectly.
Yeah.
It's really good. Okay. Cool. Thanks.
I'm happy you got to enjoy.
This video is brought to you by BC Racing Coilovers, ECU Master USA, Y-Plate Imports, Torco Racing Oils and Fuels, and Drift HQ. Without these guys, we would not have Drift Week 3, so thank you so very much for supporting this content. Let's get started.